Wow, very surprised mood. All are eagerly waiting. Still then, I am also waiting all of you. Every day, very boring. So, today we have brought an interesting. That means it is required by you. It is required by your parents. It is required by the institution. It is required by all. Everywhere. Water, everywhere. Like that. Everyone is running after spoken English. Parents saying, Sir, my student is reading in an English medium school, but is not able to speak fluently. My son is reading an Odia medium school. My son is reading an Telugu medium school. And there, no parents are speaking or telling that, sorry, English is there. Because they know that medium what speaks. So, as you are the student of it, may be English medium or Odia medium or Telugu medium or any medium. But everyone is running after spoken English. My dear students, what is spoken English? We should know first. If you know what is spoken English, then definitely, who will say that you can't speak? You will speak very fluently. That means, okay, spoken English and speaking skill, both are different things. Spoken means what you are speaking. Spoken means what? What you are speaking. My dear students, please tell me. When you are a child of 1 year to up to 2 years, if your mother tongue is Telugu or Hindi or Odia or Malayalam or any others, how many times your mother, your father have taught you the grammar? How many times? Within 1 year to 2 years. Have you learnt? But still then, you are speaking very nicely. Still then, you are speaking very nicely in your own mother tongue. There is no problem. There is no problem. You are very fluent. You are very comfort in your language. But why? But why for the English? Everyone is speaking that, sir, spoken English class. No one is telling that, sir, spoken Telugu class. No one is speaking spoken Hindi class. No one is speaking spoken Odia, Malayalam like that. Is there any institution for spoken Odia class, Telugu class like that? But everywhere you will find the spoken English class, institution, online, offline, books, everything is there. But still then, we are running after the spoken English class. Okay? That's why, before come to speaking skill. Speaking skill means what you have learned from your parents. That is the speaking skill. But in the school, what you are doing? Only you are rectifying it. Only you are rectifying it. From society, you are rectifying it. You are learning indirectly. You are learning a lot of things. But from the beginning, from at your home, you are very comfort to speak your own mother tongue because for it, your parents are responsible. Every time, suppose your mother tongue is Malayalam, suppose your mother tongue is Telugu, that means your mother knows very well, your father knows very well. In that language, he talks or she talks with you and gradually you are listening. After listening a long days, you are imitating that word. While you are imitating that word, at that time you try to utter it in your own way, in your comfort way. Isn't it? So you are learning very quickly. You are learning very quickly. But English, if you ask all the students, all the people of India, those who are learning English, they have learnt English from class KG to PG. Isn't it? KG to PG. Still then, if you ask all the people, how many of will them speak English? They can write good English. How many of them? Obviously, your answer will be, sir, I think 80% will speak. 80% won't speak. 20% will speak. Well, what is the reason? You have read from KG to PG. I have read from KG to PG. They have read from KG to PG. But where is the problem? All have learned the English. Where is the problem? That is the lack of spoken English. Speaking skill. We are lack of speaking skill. While you are becoming the lack of speaking skill, at that time we are thinking about spoken English class. Okay? Then now I have already told you what is speaking skill. In which way you are speaking which language. It may be English, it may be other language. That means if you are speaking fluently, that means your skill is developing. Okay? Why is it required? Why spoken English is required? Because in the globe, everyone wants to speak English. Your parents are more highly expected to speak in English. If my son or daughter will speak English, he may understand or may not. That is different thing. If you have learnt rhyme in your school and you are telling to your mother, you are telling to your parents, what happens? They are becoming happy because they don't know, but you are speaking in front of them. So they are becoming happy. It is why is it required? No, it is required only to speak. Okay? Then come to from whom, for whom is it required? My dear students, you tell me. You are the students of class 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 or 12. Now tell me, for whom it is required? It is required for you or for specific person or for parents or for the society. For whom is it required? From, but you cannot get the answer. You cannot get the answer. Who, for whom it is required? No, it demands the situation. It demands the situation. According to the situation, whether you will speak or your parents will speak or others will speak. It depends on them. So, it is required not for all. That means it is demanded by the situation. Suppose your surrounding is like that, when your surrounding compels you to speak in English, that means at that time you are becoming spellbound to speak in English. If you are not, then you are thinking you are the inferior then. But you are a student of an English medium school. Okay? Then come to, is spoken English class required? Then tell me. Spoke everywhere. If you ask your parents, they will tell that, sir, spoken English class is required. Sir, no one is speaking in English, reading an English medium school. But first you think, will the spoken English class solve the problem? If spoken English class will be provided in the classroom situation, that means it is the responsibility of the education department. They should keep in syllabus. Is it in syllabus? Is it in syllabus? No, because we are reading in syllabus speaking skill, but we are talking about the spoken English class, isn't it? So if it is given, will your problem be solved? If I take 2 days or 3 days spoken English class for you, will your problem be solved? Solved? If yes, then tell me. If yes, tell why 100% people will not speak in English? If it is required, if it is delivered, if the class is allotted by the teacher, then will it be solved? Then no. Okay. If yes, then tell me the number of students out of 10. Suppose there are 10 students are attending the spoken English class regularly. But you guess, you think, how many will be fluent of them? Think, okay. If you know, some students will know, sir, if the spoken English class will be done, we cannot develop spoken English. Well, what are the reasons? Tell me the reasons. Reason to kuch, there are some reasons behind it. Isn't it? Okay. Now, before going that, these are the, nowadays it is the call of the globe. It is the call of the world. We are thinking, if we are speaking English nicely, everywhere we will be respected. Now, beta, you please remember, if you are speaking in your own language, that is better. Okay. That means surrounding is required. Everywhere, if you go to the market, if suppose you are from Odisha, you are going to the market. In the market, everywhere you will find that many more things are written in English. Less are written in Odia. It is seen in the market complex wherever you go. That means you have to create your surrounding in English. Okay. how will it be solved? What is the solution? I want to find it. Solution means number one, our tongue becomes tied. Tongue becomes tied. We think, but we are not able to speak. Tongue catches, tongue tied, because we are not speaking. While we are very fluent, very comfort in our mother tongue, isn't it? Okay, tongue tied. We have to delete this one, tongue tied. How the tongue will not be tied? I will tell you. Okay. Then aims at providing practice. You know, practice. Practice makes a man perfect. Not only practice, plus no pains, no gains. That means these are required. My dear students, you know, why are you coming to school? You are not coming to school actually for the knowledge. We are coming to school only to get the certificates. Only to get the certificates. We are running after the syllabus. Practically, we are becoming a failure. One example I will give you. Any institution you go, if there are 20 staff members, you ask them to write a letter, but you will find that out of 20, 1 or 2 will write. Leave the English teachers. Other teachers you think, other subordinates you think. Most will make wrong. Or why? Because they have learned from this. Because it is the cause is that they are not well acquainted with that language in the practice. Isn't it? While they are coming to the society, while they are facing the problems, at that time they are thinking that why can't I? Okay? Then speak need and situation based. If suppose I will give you some tips for the spoken English class. Suppose I gave some tips, but it will not work on the need and situation. According to the need and situation, you have to manage, you have to speak. But sir told, you will tell good morning, but it is evening. If you tell good morning, what will be there? That means it depends on the situation. Situation principles, situations. Okay. Be your own comfortable speed. Always try to. Don't think that native speakers are speaking what they are speaking, I am not able to understand, but how I will speak like that. It is not right. Always you feel comfort in your own speed. Our intention is that my counterpart will understand me. I will understand him. It is practice required. Then daily use. You are taking bath daily. You are attending the call of nature daily in every moment. Like that, you have to use it daily. Again, another problem, listen to English speaking people, news, talks, interviews, etc. How many of you are doing? You are running after to learn the spoken English class. How many of you are listening to the English people? One thing came to my mind. Once I went to the Goa sea beach. You cannot believe, illiterate people, rickshaw puller is speaking so nice English that you cannot believe that. That means being a master degree in English, still then I failed there. I failed there, but he is illiterate. He has not gone to school. He has not read any book. Because he comes contact with the foreigners. Every time he listens and immediate to speak. But we are not getting chance. We are not speaking, English speaking people, we are not listening. We are not reading the English newspaper, never. If your father brings the English newspaper, it remains like that. It will be dog-eared, but you will not have one page. Then talks. Then if you are not listening to them and if you are not reading, then how can you able to talk? How? Then it tongue tight. And the interviews, you listen the interviews. Okay? Think in English. If these are not there, how can we think in English? Everyone is saying, think in English. No. We are thinking in our own mother tongue. We are thinking and we are translating. Okay? Then it is becoming wrong. Speak correctly. That means I have already told you, spoken English is not, it is a broken English. In spoken English, no rules are required. One thing is required, that what you are going to express, that should be understood by the others. Okay? Spoken English is known as broken English. Okay? speak correctly, write more phrases. While you are reading, you are becoming a voracious reader, you are reading many more things, you will collect many more vocabularies, many more phrases, you write it, at least you write it. Then what? Stick to the routine of reading. That means we are well acquainted with writing, but not reading. Who will read, you tell me? Or okay, if someone tells you, at least you listen. You are not ready to listen. You are not ready to reading. You are not ready to listen. But you are running after how to speak English. Will it be possible? So keep it in your mind. Okay. So it is clearly mentioned, told that practice makes a man perfect. If you are not practicing, who will practice for you? I will. No. So no pen government. Why aren't you practicing? Because you are getting pens. If you are not able to ready to get pens, who will give you the games? Who will give you the games? No one, no one. If the native speaker, native people will come to teach you English, still then you will not able to learn. If you don't have the practice and if you don't want to take the pen, then after all you will understand what is happening. Then you do one thing, proceed on your mission. You make a mission. Every day I will read this, every day I will listen to the talk, every day I will listen to the interviews, every day I will go to the different English speaking channels. Okay. Then don't miss the chance of, very interesting thing, don't miss any chance of listening. If you are getting the chance, you listen it. Everywhere, anywhere, it may be right or wrong. But before concluding it, it's my sincere request to all the parents, those who are very interested to make their children to learn the spoken English, it is my sincere request, first you try to speak in that language. Your home surrounding you make. But if you tell that, sir, I have sent my son to an English medium school, but I don't know. That is right. I accept you. But while you are giving birth to a child, at that time, how the child is able to learn the mother tongue? The child learns the mother tongue from you. So it is the sole responsibility of parents, it is the sole responsibility of the educational institution, and it is the sole responsibility of the society. If these three things, and after all these rules you are obeying, then I think that your speaking skill will be developed. If your speaking skill develops, then you will be able to speak something that will be spoken English. Okay, these are the basic things about the speaking skill. But next class, what are the solutions and what are the practice we will do? Wait for the next video. Don't try to miss it, and if you are a new one, subscribe it.